Akash, I went through the 21st draft of your design. Just some few changes that the client has asked us to do here and there, and then we are good to go.
No problem, sir. I will implement the changes by tomorrow evening.
Akash, the client is expecting this by tonight, so you have to start working on it immediately.
Sir, it's already 7 pm.
Yeah, no hurry at all. You can send it to me by 10 pm, 11 pm, or even later. I have got lot of movies on my watch list today, so I'll be awake. You can call me anytime if you have any queries.
Sir, even I had some plans post my work hours.
Look, Akash, you don't even have the tension of catching that 7:20 pm local train. So already you are saving so much of time and energy. Use that to your advantage, na?
So you mean for the company's advantage, right?
Yeah, it's one and the same, right? We all work for the company and you've been doing a terrific job so far.
Sir, I used to work for 9 to 10 hours at my workplace. Now I am working for minimum of 12 hours plus I am working on my weekends. When my work hours have increased, naturally my output will also increase.
That's very impressive, Akash. I like the way you are pushing yourself.
I'm not pushing. I'm being pushed. Because somehow you all are assuming that I don't have personal life anymore.
You're working from home. What can be more personal than that?
You know, sir, before this lockdown, there were boundaries set between professional life and personal life. Whenever I finished my work and left the office building, I felt liberated, like this is my time from now here onwards. But now, that feeling doesn't exist because my professional life and personal life is under same roof. I feel like I'm living in my office. Actually, I don't feel anything. I feel like a robot doing his job.
Good, very good. Robots are very productive. They make zero errors. You're on the right path, my friend.
Sir, are you being sarcastic?
No, in fact, I'm being very honest here. Your efficiency working from home has been much better when compared to what it was while working from office.
And sir, that's also because in office, once my work for the day was done, I would switch off my laptop and say bye to everyone and then leave. Now it doesn't matter whether my laptop is switched on or off. Now just because I own a mobile phone, suddenly the company is under assumption that I'm available 24/7.
Well, technology is making this world such a small place, isn't it?
I don't think you are getting me.
I completely understand. You are very happy that you are able to dedicate maximum time for this company because of your mobile phone.
Okay sir, you know what? Right now, I'm losing my patience. I'm feeling frustrated.
Alright.
If I felt this way during office hours, we used to take breaks, more popularly known as chai sutta breaks. And this chai sutta break was not unproductive time as the management felt. This was a space to vent out of frustration and gossip about people. Sorry for my language sir. मैं गाली दूं या हिंदी में बात करूं क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आपको तो सिर्फ मेरे प्रोडक्टिविटी से मतलब है. Anyways, I was saying ये चाय सुट्टा ब्रेक के वक्त हम लोग अपना भड़ास निकाल देते. We would reset our mind, get some peace and get back to work. So in a way it actually helped the company because this break would help me get my focus back. But what do I do when I work from home? Where do I vent out myself?
I completely understand. What if we have these group therapy sessions online every day for like half an hour where everyone can vent out their frustration?
Sir, please, रहने दीजिए. Already we have a pointless meeting throughout the day. Why to add more pain? And I know you will definitely schedule this meeting post my work hours because
you are available 24/7.
Correct, sir. और कोई भी ऑनलाइन मीटिंग हाफ एन आवर का होता ही नहीं है. I can't see you, you can't see me, I can't hear you back. आधा घंटा तो इसी में निकल जाता है. And the next few minutes will be spent on discussing the agenda of the meeting, जो सबको मालूम रहता है क्योंकि मीटिंग इनवाइट तो आप ही ने भेजा होता है सब्जेक्ट के साथ. But still you will ask this question, why are we meeting today? Why would you? माँ मीटिंग चल रही है. What are you doing?
It's okay, Akash. See, you got your break now. You can have your cup of tea or coffee.
Sir, this is not a tea or coffee break. This is just another perk of working from home. Every day my mom is producing a new cure against this virus. Thanks to this University of WhatsApp, I have no other option but to have it. Whatever it is.
And you do look quite healthy. In this lockdown period, you never took a single leave.
Because you didn't approve it.
I think you should share these Q recipes with your teammates also. It's an opportunity for us to show that we care for our teammates as well.
Sir, I don't think I need to tell you that this is not really a cure. This is just an immunity booster.
Immunity booster? Quite fancy. Mention that in today's MOM so that it will look like we discussed something very important today.
Okay, sir. As you say.
And Akash, it might look that we managers are insensitive professionals, that we don't care for our team members. All that matters to us is numbers and productivity and all that, but that's really not the case, trust me. I've been listening to everything that you have been saying and I agree that the problems that you are facing while working from home are quite genuine.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
And so I have decided to do something about it. In fact, I am giving you a new opportunity.
What exactly, sir?
I will send you the list of contact number of everyone in this company. Call each one of them and ask what problems they are facing while working from home. Collate those points and make a PowerPoint presentation highlighting the core issues and the solution that you propose from your side. and you can present this in front of everyone tomorrow. Tomorrow 8 p.m. will do, and done. See, that's how you have a productive meeting online.
Okay guys, as you know now, my manager has given me a task. So please tell me what problems have you faced so far while working from home. You can simply drop in a comment below. The most creative response will get a shout out on Covert Indian page. Please like and share this video, and also follow Covert Indian on Facebook, Insta and YouTube. Take care.